Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of January, 2025, our system has classified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.21. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, yielding a gain of 7.36%. This equates to an average return of 0.74% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $133.31 would initially signal a slower rate of decline and could serve as an early indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 10.63% over the next 3 months, with estimated returns ranging from negative 22.55% to negative 10.29%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 70.3% over the coming year, with potential returns between 51.33% and 99.20%. This translates to a price range of $200.97 to $264.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia highlights that the stock price decreased by nearly 0.6% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, Nvidia's stock price fell from $133.57 to $132.80. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.64%, with a low of $131.02 and a high of $134.48. Notably, the stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by nearly 3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on that day, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. Specifically, trading volume dropped by 40 million shares, with a total of 175 million shares exchanged for approximately $23.3 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $153.13, while the lowest was $66.25. Currently, the stock price stands at 13.28%, or $20.33, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Nvidia Corporation, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker NVDA, is currently at a pivotal moment in the market. On the 11th of February, its shares experienced a slight decline of 0.58%, following a notable upward trend over the past 5 days that accumulated a gain of 9.1%. This fluctuation reflects the volatility within the market, particularly in light of recent industry developments. Analysts suggest this could represent a buying opportunity as investors reassess Nvidia's long-term prospects. Furthermore, the company is contending with increasing competition, notably from the AI chip startup Positron, which successfully raised $23.5 million to develop US-made AI chips, positioning itself as a direct competitor to Nvidia. Currently, Nvidia's stock is testing key resistance levels near its 50-day moving average, and upcoming earnings reports could act as a catalyst for either a breakout or a further decline. With institutions reportedly investing millions in Nvidia's potential upside, the stock's trajectory in the near term remains uncertain, yet critical. Semiconductor sales are experiencing significant growth, which is advantageous for companies like Nvidia. In the long term, despite short-term disruptions, Nvidia's foundational role in artificial intelligence and gaming positions it favorably for recovery and sustained growth, provided it can navigate competitive pressures and capitalize on emerging market trends. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 2nd of February 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 13th of January 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 9th of January 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NVDA an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 8th of January 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 22nd of November 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The stock is currently displaying mixed signals today. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal for Nvidia, while the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This discrepancy arises because the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, leading to an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $134.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $126.35. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would generate an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 10, 2025, and to date, the stock has fallen by approximately 0.576%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as a MACD. During the last trading session, both volume and price decreased, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have produced a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average again signaled a sell 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. Nvidia currently finds support from accumulated volume at $128.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is known for significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, categorizing this stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.46 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.64%. In the past week, the daily average volatility for the stock has been 3%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 84 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $133.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $128.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Puri AJK, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 93.104. Overall, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of February, we anticipate Nvidia will open lower, decreasing by approximately 3 cents, and begin trading at $132.77. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.